Now we're gonna put the batter inside the pan. On those kind of cakes, usually you don't oil the tray because they you can see I don't fill it up all the way to the end because we have the self-rising flour, which is gonna make it a little bit more, which will help it rise up a little bit. And we're gonna put it now in the oven at 350. The oven should be hot already and ready to be put in. It's going to be about between 25 to 30 minutes inside the oven. After 25 minutes, you should take a toothpick and just put it inside the cake and see if it comes out clean. Toothpick or the opposite side of a match, just to make sure that it comes out clean of the cake, which means that the cake is ready and can be taken out.